Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to recover deleted Telegram messages or recover deleted Telegram chats. If you want to recover or restore your all deleted Telegram messages or Telegram chats, so let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to Telegram. And in this I can see my Telegram account, and in this time I can delete some Telegram messages or chats, but I can easily recover or restore deleted Telegram messages or chats. So let's see. So first of all, I can open any conversation, so open it, and in this I can see me and my friends all Telegram messages or all Telegram chats, and in this time I can delete these Telegram messages or chats. So let's see. And then right top corner 3 button option, click on it and then choose delete chat. So click here, delete chat, permanently delete the chat with David Brown, and then choose delete chat. So click on it, but I can easily recover or restore this deleted Telegram chats or messages. So let's see. Minimize it and go to your Google Play Store. Here you can see Google Play Store, open it and then write deleted messages recovery. And then scroll down and then you can see recover deleted messages. Please open it. Please install this app and then open it, and in this you can see your all Telegram messages or chats, and then open it. Me and my friends deleted Telegram messages or chats recover or restore in this here, and in this way you can easily recover or restore your Telegram messages or chats. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.